Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about crypto.com. I want to talk about the US unemployment rate as well as the overall market, the crypto market, the traditional market. And I just kind of want to get a general sense of what's going on. I want to let you guys know about that. So we are at 7,080 subscribers, guys. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And at 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this cool loaded line NFT, which is worth about $2,500. And also, if you want an extra chance at winning this line, each month you are a YouTube member on our channel, you get 10 additional entries at winning this bad boy right here. So let's hop into this video, guys. So, U.S. unemployment rate falls to 3.4%. And I say, curious to see this with all the layoffs we have been seeing. You know, it is really curious. It is really curious because seeing these rates come down, but these mass layoffs in big tech, these layoffs everywhere, people having freezes on hiring, it's very, very curious. And I'm curious on what you guys think that truly means because is it a lagging indicator? Will we see this unemployment go up? We're also seeing inflation coming down, but at the same time, the cost of goods is very, very high. It's three times, two times the price it was a couple of years ago. Just because the numbers start coming down doesn't necessarily mean that the problems are gone. And I don't want to be so super bearish. This is just an important thing to be looking at because the numbers don't lie, but there can be some discrepancy. Definitely, there definitely can be some discrepancy because I think the most important thing that I look at that is concerning to me about this is that we're seeing mass layoffs. We're seeing mass layoffs, and yet unemployment is falling. And same with inflation. Inflation is coming down, but the price of goods is still 2, 3x what they were a couple years ago. It's just something to keep in mind, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. But let's move on and see the overall crypto market right now. So we're doing great. We're doing great, honestly. We're consolidating. Bitcoin above 23,500, almost 23,600. Ethereum 1,656. It's looking really nice, guys. It's really a lot of consolidation. There's some money getting put into stables, but not really. We got BNB up. SHIB is up. Shiba Inu. The meme coins are starting to get a little bit. We're consolidating, guys. We're consolidating, and as long as we get these weekly candle closes on Bitcoin above 21,600, maybe even 21,700, guys, we're looking really good. So don't be too worried about this tweet I put out. It's just something to think about. We always need to be looking. We can't be looking at one thing with tunnel vision. We need to be looking at all the possibilities. You need to be looking at things from different perspectives. If you don't do that, you're going to get wrecked. You're going to get wrecked when you're trading, when you're investing, whatever it may be, one of those two. But it's important to be looking at everything, data from every which way. So, yeah, I mean, but we're consolidating, guys. We're looking good right now. We really are. I wanted to kind of talk about the stock to flow chart as well on Bitcoin because this is just, I love looking at this chart. This is so fascinating. Look at down here. I mean, look at it's just the fair value right now for Bitcoin is about 57,000. It's incredible. Like we could definitely be reaching that point leading into the Bitcoin halving, which is absolutely absurd to think about. I mean, look at this from the previous cycle. We bottomed out about 3,000, and then come the Bitcoin halving cycle in 2020, we were at about 6,000. That's a 50% gain. 50% gain, or I should say it's 100% gain. 100% gain off of 15,000 is 30,000. We should be at about $30,000 come the Bitcoin halving right here. It's looking good, guys. I'm gonna sound like a broken record here, but it's looking good. We could, but keep in mind we could trade sideways from the 20,000 to the 30,000 for a while leading into this Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin halving priced in, or I should say, is scheduled here at, what do they have it set at here? About May, I think they have it, May 2024, but it could be sooner than that. It all depends on how fast these blocks are these blocks are finished from being in the algorithm for when you're Bitcoin mining. It could be faster or slower. But yeah, guys, it's really important that we're looking at the big picture here because the sentiment, if you go and are focusing day to day on the overall sentiment, if we're bearish or bullish, especially in the crypto market, I mean, I have my finger on the pulse when it comes to the crypto market on crypto Twitter and in the media, and every day if you pay close attention to it, it can be overwhelming, and sometimes you need to just kind of zoom out and see where we're really at and where we're really headed. I mean, just look at this curvature, guys. It's a long-term trend of increase in price, and fair value right now, leading into the Bitcoin halving is $60,000. It's very 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 exciting, guys. It's very very exciting. But let's talk about Crocoin a little bit. So right now on Crocoin, we are doing the thing, guys. We are consolidating right here, consolidating. We are at 0.0804 cents, guys. We are at 8-cent range, 2 cents away from the resistance level of this channel at about basically 10 cents, 0.099. We're headed there, guys. We're going to consolidate, and I would like to see the stair step up, but we are definitely due for a big move here, probably at the end of this week. But I think that this month is kind of going to be more of a consolidation month. I mean, we had a ridiculous run up in January, about a 40% gain on Bitcoin, and we got a 62% gain from the bottom on Crocoin. This is a great. We had a massive run up. We want consolidation. We want consolidation. We don't want to just shoot up nonstop. That might seem like an awesome thing, but the faster it goes up, the faster and harder it's going to come down. We need to see legs up, a leg up, consolidation, make a stair. Leg up, consolidation, make a stair. That's what we want to see, guys. That's what we want to see, and we're doing that. We're doing that right now. I wouldn't be surprised if February is a big consolidation month. It might not be that, might be a boring month, but that's okay as long as we're above our levels that we've been talking about. But so let's go over Bitcoin. And here, talking about levels that we've been looking at, I mean, guys, look at this on the weekly chart here. A green candle above 21,500. A weekly candle close in 2 days and 8 hours. We get this weekly candle close. Bullish continuation, guys. Bullish continuation. Heading towards the $30,000 mark in my mind. That's my opinion. That's what I see. That's what I see when I look at this. And we're making this bullish continuation. I mean, that's it's great, guys. It's great. We've paid our dues. We've paid our dues in this bear market. Sure there's going to be some consolidation time, but I think that the down into the side movement, making new lows, is not really on the table right now. It's not really on the table. I think we need to see a black swan event to have something like that happen. And that's what's really fascinating about Bitcoin is that it's a money go up technology. I've heard some people say it's very very interesting. But let's look over the S&P 500 because we are breaking out of this formation, and I love to see that. I love to see it. Same thing here. We're going to have a weekly candle close today, 5 hours, 57 minutes. Very, very, very curious to see this. I mean, it's looking like we're going to be closing above this. And if we do, bullish continuation, guys. Risk on asset rally. We've been paying close attention to this for weeks and weeks, months, honestly. And we're finally starting to break out of this. It's very, very exciting. We just don't want to see any drastic moves to the downside. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think that's going to happen. I don't think that could happen in the next 5 hours unless something ridiculous happens. But we're looking good, guys. Guys, if you like this content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. And also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. All you got to do is click join right here on our homepage or in the description box below. You get awesome perks. You get loyalty badges. We do a live stream every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. You get these cool custom emojis, these loyalty badges, as well as access to a CryptoKippenai's private Discord where we give NFT alpha away, NFT whitelist spots, as well as trading signals, and more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKippenai. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries to winning this loaded lion NFT each month you are a member, guys. So very, very exciting. And also retweet this tweet on the crypto report. That gives you an entry as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. That's all I got. See you in the next one. Bye.